Creative Chandra. I'll feature here Kashmiri recipes, Chandra's signature recipes that will tingle your taste buds. Today we are discussing Ali Yakhin, which is traditional Kashmiri Hindu style recipe. So for doing Ali Yakhin, we need one grain, this we call it al or squash. We need spices, red chili, ginger powder, fennel powder. We need cloves, white cumin, black cumin, green cardamom, and cinnamon. And for base we need sour cream and yogurt. And one thing I want to specify here, because my son, I asked him one time how you cook, and he said it's not coming the way you cook. It was not coming right. Then I noticed, when I say spoon, I mean teaspoon. When I say tablespoon, it's a tablespoon. Tablespoon is this big and teaspoon is this big. And we in the market you can buy tablespoon like this also. It has a measurement, we said 1 tablespoon or teaspoon. So when I say spoon, do not think that it's just that little spoon that will come with these masala dabbas. That's like a 1/4 of the spoon. So make sure you make this full, use this tablespoon. So today to start with, and of course I forgot to tell you, and we need asafoetida also. I have made asafoetida water here. So but in the market you can buy powdered asafoetida also. To start with, I'm going to clean it, and you can peel it with a peeler. And I have this style of peeler that in the market they have different kinds of. We peel it like this. So now we're going to make round pieces like this. Okay, now we have nice round pieces ready. We're going to fry them first. We're going to take almost 1.5 cup of oil. Okay, now this oil is hot, so we can try it. See, it makes this is hot oil. We're going to fry 3 or 4 pieces at a time. In the meantime, let's turn them. So they have started getting a little bit brown. We're going to turn them. Now let's see if they are ready on the other side also. Yes, they are ready. So look, they are brown on the both sides. Okay, we're going to take them out. Drain the oil off. While those Allah or the squash is frying, we're going to prepare for the base in the meantime. So for that we have to take yogurt, sour cream, let's grind. 3-4 elachis. I have 4 elachis here. Cumin, white cumin. 3-4 cloves. cinnamon, and I'm going to grind it. I always prefer freshly ground this masala because it gives good aroma to the food. We add it to this. Okay, and 1.5 spoon of fennel powder, 1 spoon of ginger powder, a pinch of chili powder. So we're going to whisk it. I'll whisk it with this. So we have this base ready. Now we have to start cooking. For cooking, we're going to put a little bit of asafoetida. It can be powder also, but this is concentrated in water. Cumin seeds, silver lights, cinnamon, and it's at a very low temperature, otherwise it will curdle. I add a little bit of water to this because I don't want to waste this yogurt base. Keep on stirring. A nice smooth paste is ready. We're going to add now these pieces to it. After adding this olive, add 1 spoon of salt. Okay, now and black jeera or black cumin.
Oh.
Hand crush it. Add this also and mix a little bit. On the top, but you can skip this step, but I like it because it gives a real rich color. Hot oil, just 2 spoons. That's it. And aloo yakini is ready. Let's enjoy and let's eat it.